What's up, guys? I'm back playing Angry Epic, and I just came from the pool. I got my poster on, so I played until I got to. I have black bomb, got the white bird, choke, and red. You don't believe me? No. Sorry, it's so dark. He's coming in my head. This better. So I'm gonna show you the last bit of when the match is over. So my bomb bird just killed everybody. So I did show you.
Happy Easter, Killer Cam watchers.
That ain't Killer Cam. This is Killer Boss Game Cam. So I don't know what he knows this is. This one. Next round. Last round we are better than them. This round they better than us. So the final versus the Big Command. That was cool, wasn't it? I'm gonna go until I get to like this big pit, the pig that I beat before, but I got beat again. That's my closet. Okay. I'm sorry. I just won the next round, but it was like the tournament. The round I just did. They're better. That's better. So it's gonna be like this. You can see me. Sorry, down. Sorry. No, like this. Right from upside down, anything. But I'm going to. This is the last level I'm doing, I think. Sorry, the last one I'm doing today. Excuse me, this is the second to last one. Yes? Okay. I'm gonna video right now. I'm gonna show you when I get the 2 bluebirds. Bye.